Alright, so it says reverse chain rule. I always think of it as just doing a good substitution. So let's have a look at this first one. So the tricky stuff is the stuff inside the power of 5. So I'm going to try that first. That's my usual go-to. Remember this is x to the negative 1, so with a minus out the front. So it becomes positive x to the minus 2, so 1 on x squared dx. Now we have that there, 1 on x squared dx is that part, so that becomes a du. And we've got, so that'll be u to the 5 du, which is nice and easy. So we know that's u to the 6 on 6 plus c in this case. Sorry, bad working. We've got, I do it nice, a bit nicer. So 1 minus 1 on x is u to the power of 6 on 6 plus c. Okay, so that one's nice and easy. Let's look at b. So again, the stuff that looks tricky is 1 plus root x. So let's let u equal 1 plus root x. So what is du? Remembering that root x is x to the power of a half. So half x to the minus a half dx is what we're looking for. So in other words, 1 on 2 root 2, root x dx is what we're looking for. Now we almost have that. If there was a 2 here, then we'd have it, which is really a half because the 2's on the bottom. So if I times by 2, then I've got that there. So this part and this part give me my du. So I need a 2 out the front, and I've now got a du, and then I've just got the u part squared on the bottom. So that's u to the minus 2. But also, don't forget the limits need to change. So my limits here were 1 for x and 4. So I'm going to pop 1 into there. So 1 plus square root of 1, that's 2. And put 4 in there. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so that gives me 2 lots of, and I've got u to the add 1, divide by 1. And I'm going between 2 and 3. Alright, so I am getting I'm going to get a minus 2 out the front. So instead of a minus 2 out the front, I might just leave it as a 2 out the front, and instead sub in 2 first and then 3. So I'm going to get 2 lots of a half minus a third, and we know that's the same as, I'm going to write on top, 3 on 6 is a half, and 2 on 6 is a third. So we get 1 on 6 times 2, which is 2 on 6, which is 1/3. So we get 1/3 units squared. It's not area, it's just integral. So just 1/3.